Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today here we have the Micromax, the all-new Micromax Canvas HT device. The model number of this device is A116 and this is the new Canvas HT from Micromax. This is going to be rolled out in market and it will be available in the first week of February. The specification of this device is quite similar to the previous Canvas A110. We will just show you the comparison of both of these devices right now, and before that we just go through this particular device, the specification of this device and all those things. So the display size of the device is 5-inch. It has high definition display which is around 1280 into 720, which is quite nice. If you take a look, if I just move the device towards the camera quite closer, you can see there is no pixelation of the text. The overall quality of the text as well as pictures is quite good on this device. So you have a very good display on the device. As in, if we actually talk about the overall storage, it has got around 4 GB of internal storage. Let me just show you that. For this you will not need to go into settings. Under settings we have, here we are under storage, and under storage we have the internal SD card which is around 4 GB, and out of which around 1.77 GB is actually available, and right now 1.76 GB after application and pictures is actually available right now for user for installing application and other things. So that is the internal storage which you will get out of the 4 GB for using. You can actually increase the storage on this device by inserting a micro SD memory card inside the device, inside the back cover, and you will be able to use 32 GB memory card with it. If we talk about the camera, here we have a 8 megapixel autofocus camera with an LED flash over here. We have a hole for the mic over here for the noise cancellation. The primary mic is over here for calling, and if we take a look on the top side of the phone, you have a 3.5mm audio jack for the headphones. The headphones come within the package, and then you have a micro USB port for data syncing and charging. On the right side of the device on the top you have power and sleep. This is actually the power and sleep key, as well as you can pick the call from this button. And then you have the soft keys over here at the bottom of the device on the front display, the properties key, the home key and the back key. On the left side of the device you have a single button volume rocker. This is a single button which gives you a good amount of feedback. The quality of buttons is quite nice if you compare it with the previous A110 Canvas HT device, Canvas device basically. And this is the volume rocker to increase and decrease the volume. If we take a look over the back side of the device, inside the battery, if we remove the back cover, let me just show you the battery and other things. So as you can see, the battery here is actually 2100 milliampere hour battery. It has not got any branding because this is a prototype unit. And then you have two slot, one the SIM card 1, SIM card 2. This is for 3G and this is for 2G, the SIM card 2. And you have a micro SD card slot to increase the storage of the device over here. This is how the device looks like. It comes in white color and other colors as well. This one is looking pretty good. Right now the device is not connected to the Wi-Fi network, so we won't be able to show you the Wi-Fi connectivity. The specification of the device when it comes to processor, it has got 1.2 quad-core Cortex A7 architecture based processor. So if we show you the operating system on this device, let me just show you. It comes with Android Jelly Bean 4.1.2. Let me just show you the version of the Android. So it has got 4.1.2, that is Jelly Bean. If we talk about the kernel is 3.4.5, and the processor on the device is based on Cortex A7 architecture, which is quite good, and which is quite good when it comes to energy saving. So hopefully this device will not get hot when you do the video recording, high definition video recording, and when you use it for high processing like browsing, playing games. So this has been designed in such a way that it is supposed to do those tasks without any heating, without any problem. And the battery backup on A116 should be much more than A110 because it is optimized for high performance. It comes with the predefined apps, as you can see, the M Live app, the M Zone app, M Store app, and it does support Play Store as well. The browser on the device is again stock Android browser, which you see over here. You do have the option of doing the tab browsing. When we talk about other applications which come installed and the optimization and customization on the device, it has got all these UI, all the application icons are quite nicely customized to make them look quite good. Let me just show you the camera quality. Let me just show you how does the camera actually behave on this device. So it has got a 8 megapixel camera, as you can see, and we are going to take a photo with it. Let me just take a photo. So it has just taken the photo of this toffee over there, and it is quite good. The clarity of the photos is quite nice when it comes to macro photography, and for dark light photography you do have the flash support over here. If we talk about the camera interface over here, you do have the option to access the gallery. You can take HDR photos as well, and then you have the face detection technology in which it will beautify a face when you take a photo of it. Here you can see the photos which we have captured from this device. The photos are quite good. The 8 megapixel camera is performing quite nicely on this device. Here are some other photos. So these are the photos, and then you do have the option to switch to the video mode. When you do the video recording, you do not have the option of taking a photo while doing the video recording. But you do have the option to pause the video while doing the video recording. As you can see, you can pause the video and you can start it again. So this functionality is quite good for a device like this, and you can always stop the video by tapping over here and the video will be done. And if we talk about the other features of the camera, here we have other settings for the color and scene effects. These are the photo settings. You do have the option to decrease the photo size by decreasing the megapixels over here, and then we do have the option to control the video settings over here. If we talk about the other things on the device like messaging, this is how the messaging looks like. This is the default application of messaging which comes on Micromax phones, and when we talk about the new message, this is how the QWERTY keyboard looks like. So because the display size, the QWERTY keyboard key size is quite approximate, quite good actually for any kind of fingers, for thick fingers as well as for thin fingers. And when it comes to landscape, these keys become much larger, and typing on this device is again quite nice. There is no problem as far as the typing is concerned. It does give you a vibration feedback when you type. This is how the contacts application looks like. Again, stock Android. So most of the things on this device is stock Android, apart from the home screen and the icons which have been customized over here. You do have the file manager, you do have regular applications like clock, you have the Google Chrome browser which comes pre-installed on the device. You do have the Play Store. Let me just show you the music player. So this is how the music player looks like. So, although it doesn't have any music right now, so that is why it is not showing the proper display. So if we talk about other things on the device, you do have the Google local places installed, you have the camera application, you have the calculator, and you do have some new application which is called Media 3D and Media 3D Demo, which come pre-installed on this device. There should be something about video playback. This is actually giving us a kind of a clock and the sun sign and the weather updates basically. So this seems to be a weather application which will give you the real-time weather updates. And we do have a new application which is called the Notebook, and in this particular application you will be able to take notes on this device. So this is again quite nice new application which comes pre-installed on this device. You do have other regular application. You do have the sound recorder, SIM toolkit. So this device has got a large number of widgets as well. As you can see, you do have the 3D live weather widget with which you will be able to see the current weather. So device is right now not connected to the Wi-Fi, so we won't be able to show the functionality of this widget. And then you do have some other widgets as well. As you can see, these are the other widgets which come pre-installed on the device. So as far as the internal storage is 4 GB. The RAM on this device is 1 GB, which is quite sufficient for a display size of this size. It should be good. We will come up with a detailed review very soon. This is the closer look. We just forgot to show you the loudspeaker. This is how the loudspeaker looks like at the bottom. If we talk about the camera, the front camera is 0.3 megapixel, which will give you a VGA level video recording, and you can easily do a video chat using the front camera. And if we compare the Micromax A116 to A110, this is how the devices are looking like. In terms of the screen, in terms of the overall size, both the devices are equal in size. As you can see, there is a minor difference in the size of A110, which is quite big, as you can see over here, whereas A116 is a little bit smaller. And if we talk about the build quality, if we talk about the slimness, this one is pretty thick. However, the A110 A1106 is pretty slim as you compare with the A1110, and the overall build quality of the device is much better on A1106 as compared to the A110. However, if we talk about other things, both the devices have 8 megapixel camera. This one has dual LED flash, this one has single flash, but this should be enough. If we take a look on the top, both the devices have similar ports, although the location of the ports is quite different. This one is IPS display, this one is IPS HD display if we talk about the display, and there is a considerable difference in the display as you can see right now. This is how the display on both the devices look like. This one is pretty sharp and this one is not very sharp actually, because this is IPS display and this is high definition resolution, which is 1280 into 720. If we talk about the display, if we talk about the location of the home buttons and the design of the home buttons, this one has got the soft buttons, this one also has got the soft buttons. There is a little difference in terms of the design of the buttons. If we take a look at the back side on the speaker, here we have the loudspeaker on A110 and we have the loudspeaker over here on A116. So if we actually talk about both of these devices in terms of the storage, both the device has got 4 GB of internal storage, both the device has got 1 GB of RAM, but this one has definitely has got a better display, a better resolution, which will give you a much good performance when it comes to watching videos, a good experience when it comes to watching multimedia, playing games and all those things. This is definitely higher in terms of the specification. If we talk about the hardware, the processor on this device is and 1.2 gigahertz quad core processor basically, and this one probably is going to play much better games in terms of video clarity, in terms of the overall display you are talking about. This one is probably going to give you a better experience. So we will come up with a more detailed review of both of these devices comparing together, and that's all from us. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you. So we will come up with a detailed review very soon. This is right now the hands-on for Micromax A116, the Canvas HT device, the first device from Micromax which comes with Android Jelly Bean operating system, as well as it is the high definition, high HD resolution display device from Micromax, and it is an IPS display. Thanks for watching this. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.